Okay. Yeah, good morning. So this is how I do my own I found a way to do keyword research. First, should we still get a login where Matthew give us for this book. So you come to keyword research to now for instance me na only cookbook I dey do now, just cookbook. So if you dey do any other niche, probably you dey do other niche, probably like automobile, dey do other niche. For me now, I go use cookbook wey I dey do as example. So the first thing wey I go do na to search for the short take keyword which is cookbook. I come to keyword, then keyword research tool, then amazon.com because na there we dey target mostly. If you wan do for UK, I notice sey some UK cookbook dey wey dey sell, but then I never really write on them. But let's go for amazon.com because na the major market wey we dey target be that. So we click on find keywords. So when we click on find keywords, e show me say I get over 160,000 search volume for just cookbook, and then there are over 70,000 competitions or competitors, and then the opportunity score very high demand and high competition. But then we need to like stream down. Then if you check them well, just only cookbook na im be this 160,000 search volume, and then the average price, title density. Now it means say out of this cookbook now we get 30 printout and 16 results like audio, and then we get Kindle also. So if you check am well, but this is not our major focus. Our major focus now na this word frequency, that is the word that is joined with cookbook to give us a long tail keyword. So we'll scroll down. Our aim is to look for ones with low word frequency. So let's go. Usually I dey like select around 60 something or less than 100. So we will see we don dey see art 72, based 71, gluten 69, pictures protein 66. So let's go for gluten. So let's click on gluten. See, don't add the word frequency. So it will give us word frequency for gluten and cookbook at the same time. So wetin I go dey check first na search volume and competitors. So na there I dey like select search volume over 1,000 and competitors less than 1,000. I don't know if you understand. Our search volume wey I dey always select, search volume more than 1,000, then competitors less than 1,000. So let's go down. Let's go down. Let's go down. Good. This is a good example. Get anti-inflammatory Mediterranean diet gluten free book. Our search volume is over 1,000 and our competitors is less than 1,000. So to know if this is actually a good one also, another thing after we have checked the search volume and competitors, we also check the what's it called, the average price, then the average age of the books under this particular category. The older the year, the easier for us to like tap into that keywords. I don't even know. So our book will be like fresh edition with fresh things because people no go wan buy old things now. So old things mean say the information fit don old. So we dey getting new free edition, fresh edition rather, sorry. So go check average price and average age duration of the book wey dem don publish am. So another thing we go check na opportunity score and demand score. Sorry, demand score and competition. The demand score must be very high and the competition must be moderate or low. So the way to calculate the demand score and competition is still from the wetin we don check before, from search volume and competitors. The search volume is higher than the competition, therefore the demand is high and the competition is low. So we'll go for anti-inflammatory, the keyword we will see. Anti-inflammatory Mediterranean diet gluten free book. Let's go. And its average price is 13.5. This is good. Now, the average age of the book published is 3 years. So we can still go for this. We can still go for this. And I think the search volume is high. Oh, the demand is high, is moderate, while the competition is low competition. This is a good keyword to go for now. So wetin I go do now? Now I go copy am, this keyword, and then I go also check am on Amazon with that link straight off. So if I copy the keyword, I'll come back here and paste it also and still find keyword. So I wan streamline very very down. Na the why I dey copy am paste am here. So if I check here now, this is the book. So this guy published 2024. That was January last year, and it's selling already without ads. And if you check well, there's no much ad on this particular keyword. So it is a good one to write for. And then we can, even if we write for him, we can run ad for him and rank it and get all the money profit. See, that means this book is selling well. 2019, 2023. So this keyword is a very good one. I think me if I go target them, I go add them to my keyword list now. So let's trim down. So just like we said, search volume for this anti-inflammatory Mediterranean diet gluten-free book na over 1,000, and the competition is less than 1,000. The opportunity score that has moderate demand and low competition. So let's go down man. Now, the reason why I copy and paste am here na to get other word frequency wey I fit add, other word frequency wey go get lower competition also and higher search volume if I go see. Although this is a perfect one to go for, but then I still need to check more if I will get one with high search volume and still low competitors. So let's see. Like I saw one now. We can make use of this particular one. Yes. Where is it? I saw one. Anti-inflammatory cookbook with pictures. We can take um take this word frequency picture into the equation, but that is for letter because it also has over 1,000 search volume and less than 1,000 competition. So let's go more. Okay, this is also good. 76 competitors. This is perfect. Mediterranean diet for non-dairy, and it has over 1,000 search volume. This is average price 14. Let's go more. Let's go more. Let's go more. 6 years average book. I mean, I think this is perfect. So you can take note of this diary also. So I go to copy all this word phrase one by one and they add them somewhere. So I don't see picture, I don't see diary for non-diary rather. So I take note of that. I will still check more. Anti-inflammatory cookbook spiral. This is another one to go for. 56 competition, over 1,000 search volume. This is good. Average price 14. Good. 5 years. Moderate demand and moderate competition. Okay. So we'll check for more if you need more. Or if you don't want to be checking one by one like this, you can also come to this word frequency again and go for it like this also. Look for one with less word frequency ratio. So we can check. I always select less than 100. Okay. So let's go for food. You can select more than one, and then okay, to make it easier, let's select for more than one. This is an example. Anti-inflammatory food list, 3,000 search volume and 1,000 competitors. Look at it. Very high demand and low competition. Very high demand and low competition. This is perfect to go for. This is perfect to go for. Very, very perfect to go for. This is perfect to go for. Perfect to go for. This is perfect to go for. And the average price is also not bad. 7.1. This book will sell back to back. Back to back. So this is a good one to go for. You can copy am. So if we check for more, look at this also. 76 completers, over 2,000 search volume. Ha. Average price 11. This is good. This is good. Moderate demand and moderate competition. This is good. This is good. So this is how I do my own keyword research. Then if I don't like take all the um word phrases and the keyword, then I'll find a way to mix them together, and you can give ChatGPT and tell it to make that a single title. For instance, let's go like this. Using, we said we saw pictures, we saw what again? We saw pictures, we saw what again? Sorry, forgotten. So you just tell ChatGPT make using these key phrases, arrange to make a single topic. So ChatGPT will combine all of those the keyword and the key phrases, go combine am and make am a single topic, which you go copy again, come back here again, come paste am, and then search for am again. You see say e go give you a better search volume, competition will be low, and then the opportunity score will be high demand and low competition. But like this, I learned to do this keyword research recently. Cheers.